Hello kids! Hope you all are doing good. Kids, I want to show you something. Meow! Meow! Did you identify this sound and this animal? This is a cat, right? Yes, the cat has a kitten. What does it say? Meow, 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 meow all through the day. So kids, do you know all the birds and the animals have their own way of talking? They also converse with their mama, papa, their family members and friends. Do you want to know what types of sounds animals make? Let's wait and watch. So children, this was all about the sounds of animals. Hope you had fun. Thank you.